The Edo State House of Assembly on Wednesday recalled the two remaining suspended lawmakers, Donald Okogbe and Ade Isibo, after 5 months. You would recall that the Assembly on May 6 suspended Donald Okogbe, Ade Isibo and Bright Iyamu over an alleged plot to remove the Speaker and other principal officers.
Two of our members were suspended, Honorable Okogbe, Donald, and I want to say that it's not me to say that it should be house. The Speaker is the house. Because you give me that power to get to me. It's all of that. So the power I'm using is your power to the members. So by the power of the name by the members, to have total suspension is hereby lifted. The second person is Honorable Ade. On that note, Honorable Ade Isibo's suspension is hereby lifted.
The Speaker also congratulated the Governor-elect Monday Okpebholo on his victory at the just concluded governorship election. The Speaker noted that the Governor-elect was for all Edo people, not just the All Progressives Congress, and expressed the hope that sycophants would not mislead him.
The election has gone and has gone. I want to congratulate all of us. The government is not for APC alone, it's for the state, the entire state. So it will be our government very soon. So we want to pray that God will guide the government. God will give him the wisdom to surpass what's going to be to ground. And God is going to eradicate people who mislead him. And God will make him succeed. Those psychopaths that want to mislead him, not to succeed, God will make them away from him. And I know it's also a man of his words.
While welcoming members back from a long recess, Agbebako thanked the lawmakers for diligently carrying out their duties to ensure the passage of impactful bills and resolutions. During the plenary, the Assembly also approved a 57-sitting day calendar for the second quarter of its second session.
In October, in this calendar, we have 22 days. In November, we have 20 days. And December, we have 16 days. Total is 107. If you have agreements, members that this second quarter calendar should be adopted, and we should stand on it, please say aye. Those against saying the aye have it.
Irene Ejoba, PFM TV News.